The cool and showery weather will continue. Through Wednesday, again, there will be plenty of heavy downpours across the country. Low pressure continues to dominate the scene. It is exiting up to the northeast, but it's a slow old process. And around it, bands of showers will continue to feed in. And there'll be a fairly brisk breeze blowing as well. The isobars reasonably close together. That means the showers will tend to zip through, and you'll never be too far away from something a little bit drier and brighter. But some heavy downpours during Tuesday across northern Scotland will only slowly fizzle through the evening, and outbreaks of rain will cross Northern Ireland through the night and into parts of northern England and southern Scotland by dawn. A good chunk of England and Wales will actually become dry overnight with decent clear spells. Temperatures will hold up mostly in the teens, 13 or 14 in most towns and cities to start Wednesday. And we should start with a bit more sunshine, certainly over the Midlands, much of eastern and southern England. But there'll be showers elsewhere, lots of cloud initially over northwest England and southern Scotland. Plenty more showers to come into northern Scotland. A bit more of a breeze blowing here on Wednesday, which means, as I said, the showers will move through, but there'll be lots of them developing too widely over Northern Ireland and across England and Wales. Nowhere immune, but perhaps a bit more scattered here, so a better chance of some lengthier spells of sunshine, especially during the afternoon, perhaps on the south coast of Wales or the south coast of England. But where we do see showers, they could be on the heavy side, even though they may not last all that long. There's enough of a breeze to keep the fresh feel even when the sun is out. Temperatures mostly high teens, low 20s, so for most a touch below average for the time of year. And it certainly feels cooler, doesn't it, when the showers come along, of which there'll still be plenty during Wednesday evening. So still, again, a lot of spray surface water on the roads, suddenly getting caught in a downpour. But again, for most of England and Wales, the showers fade during the evening time. In fact, many places becoming dry to start Thursday, so a better chance of a bit more blue sky, at least to begin with. The clouds will bubble up on Thursday, but there won't be as many showers. Still some, and again, perhaps some heavy ones, especially in eastern parts of England and Scotland during the afternoon. But further west, a much better chance of a dry afternoon with some lengthier spells of sunshine. And the breezes will be a little bit lighter as well. So although temperatures still only high teens, low 20s, it will probably feel a bit warmer when the sun's out on Thursday. And as I said, there should be more of that sunshine generally. It'll turn quite cool quite quickly on Thursday evening under increasingly clear skies. The showers should fade away, but after something of a drier day on Thursday, all eyes are then out west. The low pressure that's bringing the showers the next couple of days drifting away, but here come not one but two more lows, and these look like churning things up for the weekend. This one in particular, if it develops as it could do, spawning a lot of isobars, so some gusty winds with this one as it comes in during Friday and lingering into the weekend. That could bring a spell of quite nasty weather, wet and windy conditions for some, something we're tracking very closely, and we're tracking it because developments depend on the exact position of the jet stream. High up in the atmosphere, it's driving to the south across the middle of the Atlantic and picking up these areas of low pressure, and they kind of merge into one. But exactly how they develop will determine the intensity of that low pressure as it comes across during Friday and Saturday. So as I said, something we'll be keeping a very close eye on. Do keep up to date with the forecast, particularly if you've got plans for this weekend. I'll talk more in detail about the developments in the Met Office Deep Dive. That's exclusive to YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and there'll be more details on that on there.